Listen carefully as Dwayne explains his sexuality. He describes himself as being pansexual and sapiosexual. Now, he tells his audience to go and search for the meaning of these words. Now, for more information, sit still and follow the video. Watch in its entirety to gain knowledge of what this means.
People who's calling me Batman Fish. Me, I'm in love, I'm in love. If honestly, I'm gonna say I am pansexual. Google to all of those people who don't know the definition of pansexual, Google that word, and then you have an understanding who Dwayne Fletcher is. I would say I'm also sapiosexual as well. Absolutely. Those two words define who I am.
And comment on this channel. Looking